let's do radiators specifically on this one. If it's too near, the leather is going to dry out, it's going to crack, and there are ways to prevent that, isn't there?
Yeah, oh, absolutely. Yeah, I mean, the last thing you want is obviously, if you can imagine, we're sat on a couch here, there's a radiator right up against that. What you're going to start happening is it's going to start drying out. Obviously, there's fat liquors that's injected into the leather in the first place to keep it soft and supple for as many years to come. The same sort of thing applies to direct heat source like UV rays from the sun, so don't have it put near a window. Obviously, once that cracking and, once that starts to dry the leather out, it's going to start to go very, very stiff and brittle. And that's going to lead to all sorts of problems, isn't it, at the end of the day? So, cracking, all that sort of stuff. You're going to get cracks that's going to start appearing. And the thing is with it, obviously, if you've got a heat source, like that with a radiator, if you do have to have it there, I would try to sort of protect the back of the couch if you can, or even try to get like a heat deflector up against the radiator so it deflects the heat upwards rather than, sort of pushing it straight out towards you. Obviously, if you can't, if you've got no choice but to have it there are sort of solutions and things we can do, isn't there, at the end of the day?
Yeah, if it's too late, if it's already, if you're running right now to have a look behind your couch that's next to the radiator, you're going to see it is dried out. The colour might have faded, things like that. There is definitely things that you can do to fix that, or things that you can do to slow that down as well. Yeah,
obviously cleaning and protecting is going to be the most important thing. So it depends whether you've got aniline or pigmented leather or semi-aniline. But the main thing is to clean and protect as often as you can. If you've got it near a heat source, you really do need to protect that very, very frequently. And maybe once every sort of 3 weeks, 2 to 3 weeks, particularly if it's near that heat source. So again, make sure you're using a good quality product to protect. I mean, where can I get products from us? I mean,
well, you can get them on leatherrepaircompany.com.
Yes, exactly. So anything you need, that is where the website is. Any technical help that you need with any problems that you've got, please do inbox us, ask questions here on this video, and we are there to help you resolve those problems. So it doesn't matter what the problem is, come to us, but that one is about radiators, and we hope you found it useful. I'm Richard.
And I'm Caroline.
And we're Leather Repair Company. Thank you very much, guys. See you soon.
Thank you.